Hey folks, how's it going? Sorry I have not been doing more videos lately. Just been busy. We got 2018, I believe, Ford Focus. Fuck off because you're stupid. Transmission job. There's the old one. No one's in. Not a hard transmission. Not hard at all. Plenum system, starter. It's down there. Pop out your little thing right there to get to your flywheel bolts. A handful of wires. There's your battery box location that has come out. Your batteries come out. Air duct system. Oh, if you want to know where your ABS is, way back there. That little thing is hid. Cool little spot for it, but it will be a bitch to service. Pull the axles out of this. Put jack stands underneath it. Use something to hold your engine up. Be careful with that engine mount over there. It is an oil one, so if you push the engine too far, you will blow the seals on it. What was there? 4 bolts on top. 4 on the bottom. A couple handful of wires, cable for the shifter. Miscellaneous stuff up here. First one we did, we had it out in probably 3 hours. It's a heavy transmission. I'm going to tell you that right now. This transmission is a heavy transmission. We don't have a transmission jack for the pit, so we just make it work. A little awkward, especially for the size. Specialty tools, much more than a set of wire pliers for the plugs. A body kit. We got it right here. I got the long handles with the smaller span, the bigger span. There's the other one. For sockets, we probably didn't use most of these sockets. I just threw tools on the table. What we used: 10 millimeter, 13. I think there was an 8 for a couple of things. 15, maybe. We're at a 32 millimeter axle socket. A couple ratchet wrenches. And if mostly it was all done with the Craftsman ratchet, battery ratchet. Worst bolt in here was the motor mount bolt. What else? A couple Torx for the little Torxes for the battery box. Nope, that's not the battery boxes. But yeah, not a hell of a lot. And I was quite surprised. It was very well, minimum different sizes, and I was impressed by it. I was. You do your control arms, just release them, take the nuts off them. Give it a few taps with a hammer, they pop out. You might need a pry bar to, pull it down and release it. For your, outer tie rods. Trying to think what else. It's not real a hell of a lot of tools. Like I said, I was quite impressed with it. The starter in this thing is buried. It may be even possible a pain in the ass. So you get out without taking out the planium. The PCV valve was a pain in the ass. It didn't want to come out. But that's about it. Like I said, 3 hours it was out, and the first one we ever did, and I'm sure I can get down to an hour and a half if I wanted to. But that's where we're at, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.